Now we are done with the name screen, and now let's get back to this connect screen. Now in the connect screen we have two buttons, create room and join room. Let's get back to our script and write on click join room and on click create room. So when user clicks on join room, we are going to create a room options and we are going to join the room. So room options ro equals new room options, and now by using arrow we can set our room options. So the first thing we need to do is we are going to set the maximum players equal to 4. So in the room maximum 4 players can play. Now let's say photon network dot join or create room. So we are going to say, now we are going to name the room. So we are going to take whatever user has input in join room input field, and we are going to get the text and name our room. Now the second argument is going to be the room options, and the third option is going to be the type of lobby. So type lobby dot default. Now when we successfully connect to a room, Photon is going to call another function called on joined room. So we are going to override public override void on joined room, and in that function we are going to play our game scene. So we are going to say play game scene. So let me go to our assets folder and in the scene and create our gameplay scene. So I'm going to create a new scene and call it gameplay. Now open it up, save the current, and in here right now we are going to simply put the green color, save it, and in the build setting make sure to add this open scene, and let's go back to our sample scene. Now in here what we are going to say is, normally we would use scene manager or scene manager dot load scene, but now we are going to say photon network dot load level, and we can put the name of scene, or we are going to simply say 1 because the build index of our gameplay scene is 1. Now let's get back to this on click create room, and in that function we are going to say photon network dot create room, and the name of room is going to be whatever the user has input in create room input dot text, and we are going to say new room options, and max players is going to be 4 and null. So now let's go back to our game. Now we need to assign these functions to our button. So let's go to the create room and add an event and drag this menu manager, and on the create room we are going to say on click create room, and for join room we are going to say on click join room. Now save everything and let's go back. Now we are going to say fs, and now we are going to join a room. So let's say test, and now after successfully joining to a room we should play this gameplay scene. So now on join room, after successfully connected to a room, this function will be called by Photon Network, and we are going to load our gameplay level.